What's up, guys? Today I have for you another special guest. His name is Funko Andrew. Today we're going to unbox two 8-bit pops. So we have one from Stranger Things, and it's Dustin, Target exclusive, and one from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and it's Donatello. Let's get to it. So which one do you want to open first?
I want to open this one.
Alright, so you picked Dustin. Put this one over here. I'm going to show it to the camera, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here's how he looks like. So in this set, there's 11 with Egos, Mike, Dustin, which is this Funko Pop, Lucas, and the Demogorgon. Do you like the Demogorgon? This is how he looks like. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can open it. I'm gonna put this one back here. You can scoot in more if you want to. So, yesterday's video, me and Funko Didi unboxed. They're not here right now. We unboxed the Jumanji Funko Pops, and those were his Funko Pops. So now we're unboxing his. You need help?
Yeah.
No. Pretty cool. Are these your first Funko Pops, Andrew?
Yeah, sir.
Alright, look, he's pretty cool with his baseball cap. Like, these two Funko Pops are really heavy, so I don't know if they're like solid and not hollow. I like that. So where do you want to put this one? Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna fall. Okay, let's just put it right here.
Wait.
Okay, we're gonna put it right there. Okay, so next up we have Donatello. So they have all the Ninja Turtles in the set. Leonardo, Donatello, which is this Funko Pop, and Raphael, Michelangelo, Shredder, and the Foot Soldier. Looks pretty cool, guys. So here you go, buddy. Scoot in more, buddy, so you can be in the camera.
Wait, is it this way? Or is it this way?
However you want. Get open it from the bottom or the top. Okay, open it from the middle. So, do you remember what store you got these at? Which one?
The Star Store.
What?
I don't know what it looks like. I mean Walmart.
No, you didn't get these at Walmart.
Let's see.
You got these at Target, remember?
Oh, yeah. I don't know stores. Like, I just can't do it. I don't know.
How old are you?
6.
Or you need help?
Yeah.
Alright. Look, this is how you do it. You pull it from the top, and you just pull it out. Here you go. This one looks awesome, guys. I really like how it turns out. Alright, so currently I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. You can put it right there, where you could win this Chewbacca Funko Pop, and the link for the video is going to be up there, so go watch it, guys. You could win this Chewbacca Funko Pop, but we have to get to 100 subscribers first. So last time I checked, we're at 90, which is pretty good, and we just need 10 more, guys. So subscribe and like this video. So this came in the mail today. And we're probably going to make another video right after we upload this one. So I don't know, this one looks, look at this. I'm going to show you guys an example. The box comes as like the full size as a normal pop. So I don't know if it's in bad condition or really good condition. But that's nerve-wracking, guys. So stay tuned for that video later today, and thank you guys for watching. You have anything to say? You guys want? Oh, they're up here.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next.
This is a new Funko Pop today.
See you in the next video. Bye bye. Pretty awesome Funko Pops.